SidraChain Mainnet update. In this video, we are going to look at the SIDRA Mainnet update and how to connect your MetaMask to your SIDRA. SIDRA has rolled out the self-custodial wallet to Web3. So if you have already connected your MetaMask to your SIDRA, it is going to be showed connected. But if you have not connected, it is advisable you connect your MetaMask to your SIDRA. But before you do that, if you have any token or any SIDRA on your MetaMask, please do well to move it to any of the self-custodial wallets like Trust Wallet or SafePal to avoid stories. So the first thing we are going to look at is this update for one of the SIDRA team, and he said the SIDRA Mainnet update. The SidraChain ecosystem continues moving forward as the mainnet migration process successful. Now, the first thing you need to understand that is successful going to this mainnet is the KYC and P2P verification are essential for secure migration from SIDRA point to SIDRA coins. So you must do your KYC and the P2P verification for you to position yourself for the mainnet to migrate your SIDRA point to SIDRA coin. The second thing that is going to happen on this mainnet is the liquidity infrastructure and ecosystem expansion are actively developing. The liquidity is increasing and they are actively developing their ecosystem. And the third point is the SIDRA Pay and SIDRA Bank are advancing towards a stronger Islamic compliant future. So you need to understand this. The SIDRA Bank and SIDRA Pay, they are working seriously to the dev future. And the last point that will happen before the mainnet or towards the mainnet is the smart contract security and audit process remain a top priority. Smart contract. And the next thing you need to know is that the mainnet migration status is in progress. Now, to show you that the mainnet migration is actually in progress, that is why today they roll out this self-custodial wallet whereby you need to connect your MetaMask. That is to tell you that SIDRA is gradually coming to an end, and once this mainnet goes live, the next thing is the SIDRA listing and TGE. So if you are at this point, you are still joking with your SIDRA, you are making a very big mistake. Go and do this. Verify your account and stay prepared for the next phase of the ecosystem. So it is very, very important to take action now before the mainnet rolls out. So I've made a tweet about the SidraChain face verification problem. So if you are finding it difficult to claim your SIDRA, pay close attention to the video and understand how you can actually start claiming. Now, the next thing to do now is the SIDRA mobile wallet connection. It's not a must you will do it on a PC. It is not a must you will do it on an iPhone. Once you have your phone, your mobile phone, you can do it on your mobile phone, you can do it on your Apple phone, you can do it on your laptop, whichever one you have, you can actually connect your MetaMask to your SIDRA. And we are going to look at the step-by-step guide. First, you have to download MetaMask on Android or iPhone. Then you create or import your wallet. It is advisable to create a wallet, do not import. Then you open the MetaMask browser. This MetaMask browser, it is going to I'm advising you download Kiwi browser, but I've gone to Play Store to download Kiwi browser. The Kiwi I'm seeing there, the logo is not the Kiwi browser that I know, so that is what is delaying me from giving a detailed video on how to import this SIDRA to MetaMask. But once I'm able to get the correct Kiwi, I'm still going to record a video on that. So once you have opened the MetaMask to your browser, you visit the platform, SidraChain platform, you log into your SIDRA app. Once you have the Kiwi browser, that Kiwi browser that has a little light green color, once you have it, you are going to log you in to that Kiwi browser. I'm still going to show the step. We are going to log in, go to the Kiwi browser and search for sidra.com. Then you log into the SIDRA app before you will be able to connect to your MetaMask. I hope you are getting me. Now you click on the open wallet section, click on connect your personal wallet, approve the connection in MetaMask. Your wallet is fully connected successfully. So this is how to do it. So once you come over to your SIDRA app, you are going to come to the wallet. It's going to show connect your personal wallet. SIDRA has upgraded every user to a personal custodial wallet. This is a one-time setup that takes about 2 minutes. Your existing balance is safe. They are trying to tell you that your existing balance is safe. And they said, why am I seeing this on the screen? It's an official SIDRA upgrade. Until now, SIDRA held your wallet key on our server and sign transaction on your behalf. Going forward, you hold your own key through MetaMask or another supported wallet and you sign your own transaction. SIDRA never see or store your key. So it's very, very important to always save your pass key, your recovery key, so that even if you are logged out from the wallet, you can easily log in back. And they said, why is this safer for you? Your keys never leave your device. Even if SIDRA server will ever attack, your wallet stay active. You truly own your own asset, the global Web3 standard and regulatory clarity. So this is why this is safer for us to connect. And they said here, your existing balance is safe. Your ST mining rewards stay tied to your SIDRA account and appear in your new wallet once you connected. Any SIDRA you previously claimed remains on the chain. Our team is moving it to your new wallet for you automatically, and you do not need to do anything for that part. So after reading all this whole story, you come over here and click on this particular one required. This is the standard wallet they are requesting for now, and you can now see browser wallet. So click on this. So once you click on it, they say connect MetaMask. If you don't have MetaMask on your phone already, like I said, it's going to be showing this. At this point, you will need to log into Kiwi browser. I'm recommending Kiwi browser. You need to log into your Kiwi browser and sign in back to your wallet. Once you sign in, this particular place will now be showing connect wallet. You tap on it. So I've gone to Play Store. So I've gone to Play Store to search for Kiwi browser. And the Kiwi browser I'm seeing, I don't know about this, so I'm scared of downloading this particular one. I don't know about this Kiwi. The Kiwi I know before has this kind of color, light blue color, not this logo. And I've searched very well. I can't find that particular Kiwi browser. I can't find it, honestly. So I will still need to do more research. But if you can check and if you can be able to get that particular Kiwi browser, what we are going to do is just to open the Kiwi browser. Let me use this my Chrome as a Kiwi browser. Once you download the Kiwi browser, you come over here and search MetaMask extension under that Kiwi browser. First, you need to log in. You need to write SidraChain.com. SidraChain.com. Then you search it. It's bringing me down because I'm already logged in. That is why. But if it is that Kiwi browser that you are not logged in already, you also tap it, you are going to see KYC port. Now you sign back to your SIDRA. Once you sign back to your SIDRA, you will now go to the wallet and immediately you click on that MetaMask, it's going to show connect. Follow that prompting and you are going to connect it. It's not difficult. Just follow the prompting. You are going to connect it. Once you come here, you will now see it, and this particular place will now show connect wallets. This downside will now show connect wallet. Connect it and we are good to go. So this is it. And remember to add this MetaMask on the Kiwi extension. I have a lot to tell you on this, but I believe if you are fast enough, you understand what I'm trying to say. So that is it. I will still record another detailed video once I get another wallet or another browser that can give me what I need, because I have gone to Chrome. To search for MetaMask extension. So MetaMask extension, can you see I have searched MetaMask extension? Even if I click on it, it's not giving me add to Chrome. I'm supposed to add the extension to the Chrome, but it will be easy for you to add on the Kiwi browser. So I'm going to look for another browser that can give us this. Once you add it to your extension, you'll be able to see MetaMask and continue from there. Then you connect it. So stay tuned for more detailed video. See you guys in my next video.